As a business owner, do you know what to expect from your accountant? Many business owners do not know what to expect from accountant. What are his tasks and responsibilities, expected reports, and the areas of his responsibility. This results in a situation where the business owner is unsatisfied with the accountant and the accountant is being unhappy with the business owner. And this state is counterproductive for organization growth. In this video, I'm going to share the lists of roles and responsibilities of the accountant so that as a business owner, you can get the clarity about your expectations towards accountant. Hi, my name is CA Jithendar Patel and I'm on a mission to help small and medium enterprises with hassle-free statutory compliances. Role number 1. Management of accounting transactions and data accurately. The primary function of an accountant is to capture and maintain data daily for each transaction in an agreed format in an accounting software. Transactions could be sales, purchases, expenses, etc. This is an important function of an accountant. Without doing this primary function, the financial statements such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and statement of cash flow cannot be generated in a timely and an accurate manner. This activity of an accountant must be done on a daily basis. If for some reasons the accounting entries are not entered daily, then the objective of achieving accuracy and generation of various financial statements in a specified time frame will not be achieved. Many business owners struggle to file their business tax returns and tax audit reports on time because of the lack of priority given to this activity of the accounts function. Hence, as a business owner, you need to check with the accountant on a periodic basis, maybe in a week or a 15 days, to check if the accounting is done accurately so that timely corrective action can be initiated. Role number 2. Generation and analysis of financial statements on a periodic basis. The another important activity of the accountant is to generate on a periodic basis, maybe on a monthly or a quarterly basis, profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. The accountant also need to prepare an analysis of such financial statement to know the gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, debtors collection period, creditors payment period, and so on. This statement and analysis are important for the business owner to review and understand the functioning of the business as per the specified plans and strategy to take timely actions if required. Role number 3. Follow trade receivables. It is important that the business is cash rich to make prompt decisions, to make the payment to creditors on time, and to grow strategically. And for that to happen, the debtors need to pay on time. Hence, the accountant should primarily make known the credit policy of the firm to the customers before the sale and such that they pay on time as specified in the policy. Business owner needs to check with the accountant if he is clear about the credit policy and is following with the debtors for the payment, if it is mentioned in his role document. Role number 4. Timely compliance with the law. Timely statutory compliance are paramount in successful running of business. Otherwise, it may lead to unnecessary tax notices and litigations. About 20% of time of the accountant generally goes into handling unnecessary litigations caused by non or wrong tax compliances. If the accountant is busy with the tax litigations, replying to the tax notices, then his primary duty of passing accounting entries will take a hit and inaccuracy of data may creep into the accounting of the business. Hence, it is important for the organization to file the return on timely and accurate basis. Further, the accountant also need to be updated with the latest updates on law in order to file accurate returns. Role number 5. Preparation of necessary reports for the purpose of audit. There are a lot of reporting requirements to the tax authorities in the form of financial data, audit reports, and many other information. In this scenario, it is important for the accountant to be proactive and compile and provide all the information as requested by their statutory auditors or tax consultant. This can also be seen from the fact that many of my colleagues, being auditors, complain that they do not receive information and data from the client on time. Delay in providing the data may also delay in filing tax returns and other reporting requirements. Role number 6. Prompt reply to the tax notices. It is important for the accountant to promptly reply to the tax notices received from the tax department. Not replying to these tax notices may lead to the best judgment assessment by the tax department and may affect the financial health of the business. If the accountant finds it difficult in replying to these notices, he can take help of auditors or tax consultants. One of my clients who did not respond to the repeated income tax notice landed up with the department's best judgment assessment, raising a demand of rupees 3 crores. The client had no clue what is needed to be done other than going for an appeal to the appellate authorities. Hence, it is critical for the business to respond to tax notices on time, which needs to be taken care by the accountant of the business. If you find this content useful, do share it with your friends. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to my channel. This is CA Jithendar Patel signing out. See you in my next video.